Alright guys, so what's going on? This is where we're at. Finally got the bandage off my hand. They took out my stitches, so I'm able to kind of do some light stuff with this motor, and I want to just start taking it apart. My plan is to send this motor to CSS in the States, so I kind of don't want to delay. I want to get this off as soon as possible, and yeah, get it shipped out. So this is the K24 that's going to be going into the car. So yeah, man, I'm just going to take the time to get it apart, get the block apart, get the timing stuff off, drain the fluids, and obviously we're going to start with that and get stuff going, you know what I'm saying? So let's do that. While that's draining, I'm gonna go and take off the crank bolt and try to remove this pulley for the most part. The valve cover is already off, so let me just go and take that off. Put that down, put that down. Bear with me guys, I'm still just trying to use one hand. I don't want to put no strain on my hand, so. My team grabbed the gun. Let's hope that this thing can get it off. Yep, came off. Ooh. So there we go. We do not want to lose this pin, so I'm going to put the pin beside the bolt here, right? I'm going to go ahead and bolt off the timing cover after we take out this first also. Take out this. Oh, see if I can just help it out. There we go. All right, so taking this out so you guys can see that. Just make sure clean this up. I'm trying to have the least amount of mess, y'all. You guys know I like my garage clean, B. I ain't even with the mess. Alright. Yeah, like a shop rag and just try to brace it so it don't fall off onto my. Ooh. There we go. Got one side. And let's try to get another side real quick. I could be wrong, so. I'm missing one more bolt here at the bottom, guys. More bolt we were missing here. That's why you never really want to pull and tug stuff off. You never know if you have another bolt there holding it. And I think that's all of them now. So get to this side. Give it a little pry in this corner so I can brace it with this hand because I don't want it to fall nowhere close to my car right now. There we go. Get this cover off. Now I think I'm gonna put this straight into the parts washer. So yeah, I set up a parts washer in my garage, which I just set up recently since I knew I was gonna start doing the motor, and I'm gonna place that there for now until I'm ready to do some cleaning with it. right? Just see if I can get it exactly on, like, you know, I don't want it to be like off a little bit, so I'm just gonna try and get it exactly where it needs to be. It was there, but it was just a little bit off. Timing's set, but it's off. It's not direct right here. So motor definitely want to skip the tooth. Looks like just one tooth. So we'll have to be checking this thing out as we take it apart. I don't know the history of this motor. I'm just took the word of the person that I bought it from. Motor's getting rebuilt anyway, so it's not really a big thing for me, but just gonna go over everything, you know, best as possible. But from there we're gonna possibly release the tensioner, start taking the head. Actually, you know what, I'm gonna take the oil pan off first. Flip it around and take the oil pan off. Bring out the bigger pry bar. Let's see what's up. There we go. There we go. Big pry bar will get it. Let's see about this side now. Alright, so motor flip back around. You guys let me know how you think this motor looks like up here. I'm trying to give you guys the best visuals as possible. Right now I'm using my Nikon camera. Yeah. I see some. I don't feel any rough surface on the lobes or nothing like that. So I don't think it's. I'm not a pro at this, so like I said, but I don't think it's too bad. It's a little dirty. It don't look like they were doing their flipping oil changes on time, but yeah, I guess. Although I'm saying this stuff, this motor is not gonna be running as it is. Like, this motor is getting built. I always do my cars like that just because I like to know exactly where I'm starting from rather than like guessing from buying this motor from somebody else, right? So this motor is getting the basic stuff, nothing too crazy, but like enough that it can handle what's getting thrown at it. Even though the power that I'm going for is not no crazy power, like probably stock, it could probably hold it too, but you know, this way I can beat up on it and I have some longevity in the motor, depending on the driving that I do with it, right? Even if it should have a good longevity with it. But right now I'm just letting it drain a little bit more. I stopped and wiped up the floor. The internals are basically all paid for. I'm waiting for one more thing to come, which it said should come in December. And everything was ordered from JDM Addiction. Those are the guys I go to. And I'm just waiting on the one thing that they said is coming in December. And then since I'm waiting on that, I said there's no point in me really just waiting till it comes and try and get the block sent out and to CSS. So just after it's done draining a little bit more oil out of it, I'm gonna go ahead and take off the timing stuff, and then we can go ahead and take off the head and the block and then I'm gonna take off the oil pump on the bottom and continue to disassemble it, to disassemble the motor. You want to do it? Come. Hold it. Ready? Good job, Boo Boo. You did it? Yay! You did it, Boo Boo. Give me 5 or give me that. No, listen. Ah, good job, Boo Boo. Yeah, so this is. Come, ready? 1, 2, 3. Say it. 1. Yeah. 2. 3. Yay! I'll get this one too. 1, 2, 3. Good job, Boo Boo. One more here. 1. Yeah. 2. What's next? 3. Good. Alright, so.